Show us.
Jimbo, do you know the wee
Give us
bit?
a go.
That was cool. See, you need to get a set of these in my bedroom.
See, you never forget, it's only been 40 years.
That's it.
My bedroom while I'm still there. No, that would be.
It's like pulling up a room.
glad I moved on.
It's only been...
Don't blame you. That'd be great.